friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile Tips. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos and connect it to my YouTube channel. It is informative channel about a mobile phone tips or mobile phone information. So if you have any problem about a mobile phone tips or mobile phone information, so please comment on my YouTube channel. I will get solution of the problem. Like and comment on my YouTube videos and forward my YouTube to your friends. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for visit my YouTube channel. Hello friends, let's start a video. In today's video, I am going to discuss about WhatsApp mode in a mobile phone. How we use WhatsApp mode in a mobile phone and for which purpose we use WhatsApp mode in mobile phone. All these facts discussed in today's video. So first of all, for which type of purpose we use WhatsApp mode in mobile phone. We use WhatsApp mode in mobile phone. Sometimes a mobile phone signal, internet or Wi-Fi signal is very low or very weak. So in this case, the WhatsApp messages or calling does not send or receive properly. So therefore we used WhatsApp mode in a mobile phone. How we use it? Now scrolling down the mobile phone display and move to right side. Now the WhatsApp mode option are available at the first row and first column of the mobile phone icons. Now click on it, so the WhatsApp mode is become active in my mobile phone, and a large amount of signal is transmitted to WhatsApp and little amount of signal, mobile or internet signal, is other application. So in this case, messages or calling of WhatsApp is sent or received properly. And now how we remove it? So simply again scrolling down the mobile phone display and move to right side of the mobile display icon. Click on the first row and first column apps. Now the WhatsApp mode is removed from my mobile phone. So simply this is my today video. Now like and comment on my today video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Thank you.